Hey everyone, welcome back to M Reviews, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about the Big Book of Organic Baby Food. This book I found on Amazon for about $12 for the paperback version, and essentially it's written by a nutritionist, and she's a registered dietitian. She goes over different recipes for baby purees when your baby's starting solids, finger foods, and toddler meals for every stage. So in the front here, it goes over 10 months and up, 6 to 8 months. There's different stages that the book's covered, which I'll show you. And depending on whenever you start stage 1 with your child, it goes over all types of things. It goes over smoothies, parades, family dinners, toddler meals, and things to help make it easier for you. All over the internet, there can be so many different recipes that can, be a bit overwhelming. This is if you want to make your own purees at home for your baby, your own meals at home for your baby. They are very simple instructions that I believe if I can do it, you can do it. So there's a lot of good recipes on here. For example, we can look at the green bean puree. So this one makes 15 freezer tray cubes. It's 1.5 pounds of green beans, about 5 cups, strained, removed, cut into 1.5 inch pieces. So this is literally all you need for this recipe. You steam them, and then it tells you how to puree it. So this is really, really good to have if you want something simple that can help you know how to make meals for your baby if you intend, or even if you plan on mixing, like buying store-bought, but then also making some at home, freezing them if you're sending your baby somewhere, if you want something like quick and on the go that you can just get ready and feed to your baby. You will thank me later for the Big Book of Organic Baby Food. The link will be down below. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.